Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make all 3 Titans in Brookhaven and one at the end that you don't want to miss. First, remove your hair. Then click this. Then the search button. Search Titan TV Man. Choose anyone, but in my opinion I would choose this one. Next, go to Shirts and Pants. Then click Search and type Titan TV Man. Choose anyone. I'm just choosing my favorite. Now click the Pants section. There you go. Let's move on to Titan Speaker Man. Go to Hats and click Search. Write Titan Speakerman. Click this one. Now click this and that. Bro, I do not like when that happens. Then go to Shirts and then search and write Titan Speaker Man. Again. Click the one without the core. Now to Pants and write Titan Speaker Man in search bar. Click this. Click Fronts. Then click Search. Write Titan Speaker Man. Click this. You're done. This one is fast and simple. Click this. Write Titan Cameraman. Click all of these. Equip this too, I just forgot about it. Now go to Shirts and Pants. Click Shirts, then click Search. Write Titan Cameraman. Pick anyone you wish. Now do the same thing, but in the Pants section. Click anyone, then you're done. Oh yeah, and if you want you can change your skin tone to black. Cause of the gloves. Okay, so the surprise is Titan Cinema Man. So first, just do everything I showed you at first. In fronts, write Titan TV Man Speaker. Click this. Now go to Shoulder and write Titan TV Man Speaker. Click this and you're done. You can also change the skin tone to black cause of the gloves. Thanks for watching.